Following is a severe weather bulletin.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Clark County until 12:15 a.m. At 11:28 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Owen to Augusta, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Owen around 11:35 p.m. Colby and Dorchester around 11:50 p.m.
Alright, severe thunderstorm.
Abbotsford around 11:55 p.m. Greenwood around 12:05 a.m. Loyal around 12:15 a.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Highway 73 and 98, Atwood, Tioga, Christie, Lynn, Longwood, and Curtis. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 and Thursday for the following county: Clark, Wisconsin.
Alright.
The current time is
Thunderstorm
11.
warning.